What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. Um, I haven't posted a video in how many days now? Maybe like 3 days. I've had a pretty busy week, celebrating with friends for Friendsgiving and shit. So, oh wait, what? It's only been 2 days. All right, so yeah, it's been 2 days since I posted anything. Last trade was on Monday. Last backtesting session was on Monday. So I'm gonna knock out 2 weeks. 2 weeks today. Um, We got bank holiday on Monday. Where I'm doing January 17th to January 28th of 2022. All right, got a 4 hour up here, 4 hour up here, and we just swept out this low. Price is gonna continue bearish. Draw liquidity is gonna be these lows down here. So we'll see what happens. 915. No S&T at the highs. We got London low here. So we could see London low and then see price move higher potentially. All right, we got SMT at London low. But I think I still want to see NQ take it out. Okay, came way too close. I'm gonna be fading this one. We have 5 minute version, which hits. Alright, we got this 4 hour gap, and we're inside this 15 minute fair value gap. See what happens here. It's already 10:42. 10:50. Yes, some chop price action. Alright, end up hitting London low past New York AM. Tap the sell side here. Alright, I'm not even gonna waste time looking at setups past that time. Alright, price ends up sweeping this low down here. So we're getting some price action higher. We inverse this 4 hour, targeting this high potentially. Oh shit. Eating some mac and cheese right now. It's 136, and I haven't eaten anything today. All right. I want to see price come down to these lows and manipulate potentially. All right. All right. Problem is that we already took the draw on liquidity. We held this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Inversion would be this 1 minute. Break even there. You gotta hit break even. You would have gotten hit break even. See, we got a 2 minute here. All right, we got this LRLR down here. See if we're coming off of anything. ES is tapped into this hourly and keeps sweeping this high out. It's within a gap, not within a gap. Personally gonna fade this setup. See if we can get down to this. Leaning more bullish for sure. So I'll see if we could get down to these lows and then still continue higher, unless we create a condition upwards. All right, sweep this low out, tapping into this 15-minute, 5-minute, hourly. So essentially we gotta move to the upside. It's 1041. We inverse the 15 minutes, so personally not gonna be taking anything here. Sure, I could have shorted there, no? A little risky. This 5 minute. There was nothing there. Would not like a short from there. Alright, going next day. Not getting any setups, so. Coming off the slow here. Price looks a little choppy. Got London high. Already took it out on NQ. We got London low. Got this hourly fair value gap here. See what price wants to react here. Inverse this 4 hour. Weird leg. We inverse this, and then we come back down, take the low out, and then we inverse this. So we're not respecting PD arrays. We respect this, inverse the bearish one, and then completely just reverse from there. Even after taking the sell side level, so we'll see. Should be a 3 minute. 3 minute. Yo, not gonna lie, low key missed that setup. Did not see this 15-minute here. It was right at open. Literally right at open. I don't think I would take that setup. If anything, I was any more bearish. Okay. Draws are gonna be these eyes here. No gap to inverse off this 5 minute. Alright, if we get a clean inversion here, it's gonna be a 3 minute. I would take this setup 4 minute. See how this 1 minute closes. I mean 4 minute. Oh, alright, I do like the setup. It's actually something. Finally getting something worth taking. Got these highs here. I'm probably just gonna go for a 101 on this one. No SMT at the highs. Clear bullish draw liquidity. Came back into this 15-minute fair value gap, which is also a 5-minute intermediate term low. So I am liking this. It's right here. Intermediate term low. We got a 4-minute inversion, pretty clean inversion. We got a break even level. Level to go break even at. Finally got a setup. Finally got a setup. Went for 1 hour here. Inversion was right here. Finally got something after 3 weeks of backtesting. Good, good call to go. Take out at 1 hour there. Super simple trade. Basically, hourly fair value gap got blown past. We created a 15-minute fair value gap. Clearly not rejecting this imbalance here. Came back into the 15-minute, sweeping out an intermediate term low, and then we get a pretty clean 4-minute inversion to the upside. And break even here, target 101, and this buy side right here. So it's pretty good. The 1R target was within a key level, so super solid trade, super solid trade. Do we have SMT here? We also had SMT, so this was A plus, super A plus setup, super A plus. All right, you see what I'm saying? We're just like price is just bearish. Price is just bearish. Some weird price action I've been getting for this year. We're just continuing going lower, but we're not really respecting PD rays. So I'm leaning bearish. We have the sell side right here. I don't know why, but I have a feeling we're going to take the sell side before getting an entry of any sort. We're in this 4 hours, so there's not really a need for price to come back to this high. Potentially we can come into this hourly fair value gap. There's nothing against us to our right. Yeah, so price could sweep out this right here. It'll be pretty fire. If we get a short, kind of took a while. Still got 9 minutes on this. We put an SMT right here. So we ended up tapping. Okay, we still have this internal high. Intermediate term high, I mean. We have SMT here. Alright. Okay, we got 3 minute and a 4 minute. Ooh, okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so Got a 3 minute here and the 4 minute here. So, oops, not 4 hour, 4 minute. Then a 5 minute opening up in 4 minutes. So I'm actually, I like this reaction that we're getting off this high here. And I do like this inversion. So I'm actually slapping this here. We had a 9:30 open right here. Where's 9:30? See, this says a 9:30 open high, low close. I'm gonna go for 1R. Honestly, I think I could probably target more than 1R. Let's see. Let's see. I'll put my TP here for now. Just to, yeah. All right. 1R was right here. You see. I'm close to 75 here. I closed 75% of my position. Took a partial because we're past 1R. I'm gonna hold the rest. Here we go. Targeting the sell side. Wow, that was crazy trade. That was amazing. That was amazing. There's a profit on that. 847. Nice. Solid. I was pretty confident holding. I was super confident holding, really. But a part of me wanted to take that 1R. We were already like, we didn't even create a 5 minute for value yet. It was just that we had this 4 minute here, but like at the same time, super confident shorts, like extremely confident shorts, super clear. But yeah, so we swept this high here, which was the 15-minute intermediate term high within the 15-minute gap. Clearly bearish price action. We had a tap in this 4 hour already, so this high is protected, and then we also got an SMT there, so it made it even more protected for me. Got this really clean 1 minute inversion right here. Had my stop at the high because we had SMT, and no break even. No break even on this. It is 9:30 Judas. We Judas higher, Judas swing higher, then we get a quick inversion. So no break even. Price tends to give us this like little fast move up and then fast move down around this time. As you can see, it's still 9:44, so really early into the session. And then we get SMT here. Um, Typically I would hold the entire position, but it was kind of a large Judas swing range. So I was taking my piece of the pie. It was about like 1 to 1.3, 1 to 1.13, I think, where I took it out. It was about right here. Yeah, about there. And then took 75% here, and then held the rest down to this low. Super, super solid trade. Super solid. Nice. Clear sell side draw on liquidity. Alright, I'm gonna go to the next day. Just gonna completely skip that day. What I'm gonna do is just skip the days after I get a trade. Just keep going. I kinda wanna start following, not that I don't follow my rules when it comes to backtesting, but I tend to take, more trades because it is backtesting, so I'm trying to collect some data. Wait, what am I looking for? Oh no, I don't have it daily. Just put 4 hour. So I hate these ranges where we have like sell side liquidity that's just super far. I 100% need internal draws, clear internal draws. So we're super bearish, but like this is just a huge range, you know. So we'll see. Price can come up into this EQ here. Potentially. It's Monday. Monday, January 24th. We got PMI 945. Okay. See if this intermediate term high. We don't tap. We do tap into premium. We do tap into premium. Holding this 30-minute for value gap. Holding this solid setup. It's a 1-minute inversion. 940. Let's see. We have a 2-minute now. This will be a short here. Nine 43. Oof, we got news in. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Closing out right there. Oh, did I only close 75 here? Oh, I did. Wait, why did it do that? Hold on. Does it automatically... Why did it do that? It put me like 2 positions. Hold on. I'm gonna replay this. I wanna see what happened. So entered here. Save. Put this down here real quick. Came up. Yeah, I closed 100%. I don't know why I didn't close the first time. Alright, so I closed out here. We had SMT here. Okay. Put an SMT. So ES already took out the drawn liquidity. So that's one thing. That's one reason why I took it out. Number two is because, like I said, we have PMI at where is it? PMI at 945. So this shit is either gonna rip down or rip higher. Shit did not rip anywhere. Okay, we kept going lower. But perfect place to go take out your position. We got SMT at the low. Super clean trade. Super clean trade. Wow. Get some good. Finally getting some good PA. Intermediate term high. So, like I said, I wanted good sell side targets. We came up, set this intermediate term high. We have this low resistance liquidity generated down here, and then sweep this high out. Clean inversion to the downside. Yes, we missed this 15-minute, but we're within this 30-minute right here. And we did tap into premium of the range, and we held this 15-minute for value up here. So we get this clean V-shape inversion, and then just held until ES took out this low. Clean setup, clean setup. Let's see if anything else presents itself. chop. Alright, next day. Alright, we end up sweeping this sell side, these sell side levels that I was looking at. In a nice rejection off of those. We're gonna continue lower. It's gonna be these lows here. Super close to that one, so that's solid level. Within anything? No, it's not really within anything. Respected this daily fair value gap. This is super long wick. Super long wick. So let's see. Not really liking this range here. We did get a large expansion, so that's why we're kind of moving sideways. Let's see, we got 10 a.m. news. Only issue with this trade is that we create relative equal highs with ES up here. And overall price action is really choppy. I'm gonna fade this setup. If anything, I want to see ES take out these highs up here, if possible. No, we just don't. This is the thing I don't like about backtesting. Sometimes we do create these equal highs, but like in real time, they're not actually equal highs. It does it all the time in FX replay. Obviously, it's not gonna be accurate, so can't really complain about that. But oftentimes, price does do that. So not a bad setup. Not a bad setup. Get this like a little bit of accumulation and the manipulation higher. Pretty clean. Okay, I wouldn't say clean inversion, but I really like this wick right here. This wick was really nice. Came back into C, this respected, and we just got this nice bearish close, which is why I still like the setup. And we were tapping into this 15 minute, respecting the 15 minute, respecting the 5 minute, and then we just had all this LR. Just clear draws, break even at this low here, so it would look like this. About 2R. Solid setup. Pretty solid. We'll see what happens. Okay, we got this hourly right here, and we got this sell side down here. See if price wants to continue this bearish price action. Okay, we create a 5 minute for value gap. Displacing past slow. Got a 15 minute right here. Sell side down here. Bro, mac and cheese was cold. Mmm. Oh man. Oh man. The hell was that? Oh no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Resweep. Resweep if we can. Come on. Oh no. That's it. It's 10:32. We just flip? No, we just chop. CISD. Watch. Respect it. Respect it. Move lower. Boom. Not my strategy though. Alright, we're gonna go to the next day. Thursday now? Oh, we're on Wednesday. Alright, bet. Alright. Now we're looking bullish here. Looks like it. Got some T at this high here, so gonna be more cautious. Be more cautious here. Got these lows down here. We'll see price come down. See about these lows. Tap into 15 minutes as well. 5 minute. 5 minute intermediate term low. 1 hour for value gap. Potentially have a 4 minute opening up. See what happens. Okay, we don't have a 4 minute. Do we have a 1 minute? No, we have 30-second. Kind of. Be right here. It's tough. No gap. No gap. It was just that 30-second. Want to see if we can get a resleep potentially. Wasn't horrible. Wasn't horrible, but wish we at least got a 1 minute or something, or 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. That's not a gap either. Okay, if we create a 5 minute condition, moving higher. Damn. Alright. 5 minute for value up here. Still got this buy side up here, so there's still potential for a setup. That 30-second was definitely it, though. What time was this at? 9:46. See if price can come down here. Sweep this low out. Got no imbalance again. $15 minute? No. 5 minute? No, we inversed the 5 minute. No SMT. Not coming off of anything. The highs, so. It's 10:15. No gaps. Choppy. 10:55, so I'm not gonna take anything here. Can see price coming up to this 15 minute. This will be a 5 minute inversion. Break even at the 15 minute, target the highs, but the highs pretty high resistance, but we did create relative equal highs. Inversion is kind of not the greatest. We get stopped out there. Oof, stop was way too tight. TP ended up getting hit. So if stop loss, let's see. Could have probably put it down here. Where did I put my stop? Did I put it here? I don't know where I put it. It was supposed to be. Oh, I put it at the body. That's where I put it. Yeah, honestly, you could have put it at the wake if you were to take this. This would be break even. It's 10:55, so that's why I didn't take it. Only reason why, just time. And then if you did take this, you're literally sitting in this for damn near 2 hours. So yeah. Our next day we got. Oh, it's because it was FOMC, bro. I keep forgetting to check news. So we got this little bit of chop. Thursday we got 8:30 news and 10 a.m. news. Inside of this hourly fair value gap, got this 15-minute here, and we're not super bullish, super choppy. Looks like seek and destroy from a higher time frame. Oops, did not mean to do an entire 5-minute candle for 15-minute. Did I do a 15? I did an entire 15-minute candle. Alright, well, we tap in this 15-minute. Let's see if we got anything. Hold this 5-minute. And nothing. Nothing crazy. Huh. See if you would have gotten 1-1. Ooh. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Yeah, low key, that 3-minute right there was low key a fire setup. I'm not gonna lie. That 3-minute was low key a fire setup. Alright, let's see what happens. Respecting this 15 or this 5-minute. Respecting this 15-minute. Got this 1-minute inverse. We did take out the internal high. We also have this high here. Like how we're coming off the slow. Inversion was not a horrible one. We got a CISD. No other um balance. 10 a.m. We got 10 a.m. open right here. Alright. Take a stab at this. Should be break even there. But it's super close. We have this order block here. So I want to see this order block get respected. It's going to be pretty discretionary. Based off how I like how we're coming off this 5-minute and the 15-minute. This is a little bit risky. So we'll see what happens. We have this. Do we have a 2 minute? We have a 2 minute for value gap right here. We have a 3 minute. No 3 minute for value gap. So what I want to see is, there's potential for price to come down. Respect this low. Respect this order block and respect this fair value gap, and then continue higher. I'm going to be monitoring ES until it reaches that high. Mark out 1R here so I know where it's at. All right. Too much discretion on this one. Too much discretion. Saw potential for price to at least get to this high on ES. Probably something I should have done is less risk, lower my risk on this. We inversed that 15 minutes, so I totally saw price going higher. It's whatever. Yeah, it's cool. Not the cleanest setup, not the greatest one. I'd say if our targets weren't as far, I'd be more confident in it. Pretty far, and we're still inside of this hourly, so that's definitely one thing. We're inside of this hourly for value gap. It's 10:30. Probably not gonna get anything. Intermediate term low on the 15 minute. Call me crazy, bro. Get that resweep. Let's see. Ooh, hold on. I might be cooking here. SMT. 5 minute for value gap got inverse. Still holding this 15 minute. I have this unfilled 15 minute here. Got these unfilled 5 minutes. So entire range here. Got a 5 minute right here. Should be, is there 2 minute? There's no 2 minute, so this would be the setup here. Break even at the 5 minute, TP at the 15 minute, or 1R. That'd be 1R right here. Alright, that's break even. Got a break even there. Yeah, that would have been break even. So I'm gonna replay this. I mean, TP did end up getting hit. I'd say the thing for this one is that break even was pretty close. So super likely to get hit break even, but I'd say the solid itself is pretty good. The solid itself. The setup itself is pretty good. We swept this intermediate term low. We got a resweep. Pretty nice V-shaped inversion. We have this unfilled range, and then we also got SMT at the low. So I like the setup. This was a good mech model. I got hit break even, so I'm gonna replay it. Yeah, all right there. Go next day. Final day. It's hourly here. 4 hour. It's a bad range. Oh, hold on. Never mind. Alright, looks like we could go to this low. I have a 15-minute here. 15-minute right here. Got a 5-minute above. So we come up to these highs. Potentially take long. I want to see these lows intact. I don't want to see them. Never mind. It got taken. But it's fine. Okay, that's pretty clean. Resweep. Bro. Just pumps from there, bro. Okay, we still got 15 minutes. 15 minutes on this candle. We open up a 5-minute for value up. It's 2 5 minutes, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Hello. Alright. That's all for this trading session. We got a couple good trades in today. Or this session. A lot of really good trades. I think 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. Solid January for choppy price section. I'd say this trade I could have definitely lowered my size on that one, or even avoided it. So that wasn't the best setup. I'm really trying to test out my discretionary side of trading. Uh, Build more experience based off other things that occur rather than staying super mechanical. So I know what conditions this trade would have been good in, and in this case, the draw being pretty far, and the fact that we were inside of an hourly imbalance is definitely something to take away from. Because in a lot of cases where this happens and we have nothing to the left of us stopping us, this would work out, right? Just simple structure, simple price action movement, right? We get a change of state of delivery, respecting bullish order flow. We have an order block here, we have a fair value gap and all that stuff. Wait, it was a 3-minute, yeah. Oh wait, no, it was a 2-minute. Yeah, right. We get change of state, fair value gap, order block. Say 2 takeaways. Break even level was super close. TPs were pretty, pretty far, I'd say. And then we were within the hourly fair value gap. Those are the big takeaways. And then in the case that there was nothing to the left of us, the TP was closer, the TP was better, like maybe a session high, session low, or data high, data low, or something like that. That would have made the trade a lot better. But other than that, good notes. Good trades. Good trades. Alright, I'm gonna end this here. Later, guys.